Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to stake an elevation. So what I can do in FieldGenius is I can set a specific elevation and I will get the cut and fill no matter where I am in relation to my project. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've hooked up just to the simulator inside of FieldGenius. I'm going to click on standard measure here above RTK fixed and then click on staking. Within my staking menu here, I'm going to select my third option on the left, stake elevation, and I have a couple of different options here. I can either enter a known elevation, so let's say instead of 100 meters here, I wanted to stake 50 meters, or what I can do is I can hit get elevation from point, and I can use any of the points that I have already shot as a reference point, or any of the points that I have imported into the project. So if I click that button, it's going to bring up my aforementioned point database, and I can select any of the points in my point database. In my case, I'm going to stake point number 35 at 99.328 meters. Once I have that selected, I'm going to click on select, and it's going to bring me back to that elevation staking setup menu. And if I click on continue here, it's going to bring me to the map screen, and you can see in the top left here, I have this design, elevation, and cut to. So the design is the elevation I set. The elevation slot is for my actual elevation that the GNSS receiver is recording, and my cut to is obviously the difference between those two values. So what I can do is I can actually click on page or this plus button to make this a little bit bigger, and that will make it a little bit easier to read for me. And if I go and hit RTK fixed here, you'll see that I'm going to record this point and store it after 5 shots have been taken. And once it is stored, I'm going to get my report on the cut and fill elevation, which I can then save to the project by clicking Save Point and Raw Data. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you stake an elevation inside of MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I please ask you to hit the subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.